Hello, and welcome to Raven's Eye Tutorials. I'm Dr. Tim Lauer, a founder and director of research at Raven's Eye. In this video, I'll be discussing how to prepare your audio data for analysis with Raven's Eye. It might be best to follow along by opening a tab in your browser and navigating to our step-by-step practical manual, which is freely available online in the support section of our website. The online practical manual can be found by selecting Support in the top menu bar and then clicking on Practicals in the drop-down menu that appears. In the window that appears, each step in working with Raven's Eye is listed. Since we're discussing how to prepare your files in this video, we'll go ahead and select Preparing Your Data. Raven's Eye partners with IBM's Watson to automatically transcribe audio files of recorded speech in one of several spoken languages and saved in MP3, FLAC, or WAV formats. The list of currently supported languages can be found by selecting the link near the top of the Preparing Your Data page of the practicals. At the time of this recording, we see 9 languages listed. If your file is saved in a format other than MP3, FLAC, or WAV, you can convert it to one of these formats through most popular audio players and editors. Here, in iTunes, for example, files can be converted to MP3 format by going to File, Convert, Create MP3 version. Our transcription services are computer-generated and are therefore probabilistic in nature. This means that the automated algorithms seek to match the sound signature of your file with the word that best matches that signature. Though IBM reports an average 6% error rate on its testing on recordings of television news programs, as with all such automated transcription services, the accuracy of any given transcription depends on several factors associated with the original recording itself. To estimate the accuracy of your final transcript, we recommend that subscribers prepare a short clip of the full recording, perhaps 3 to 5 minutes or so in length, and then upload this clip to Raven's Eye for analysis prior to uploading the full audio file. In this way, the accuracy of the transcript can be checked and adjustments to the recording can be made through your computer's audio editing software. Here, in QuickTime, for example, files can be reduced by opening the original file and then selecting Edit and then Trim, and then moving the yellow bar to shorten the recording length, and clicking on the Trim button. After doing so, select File, Save, and save the file with a new name to differentiate it from your original file. To facilitate the estimation of accuracy and make any necessary improvements to your recordings, Raven's Eye provides 100 minutes of transcription free of charge with each subscription, even though we incur a cost for doing so. Getting the most accurate transcription begins with selecting the proper equipment. Generally, if you are using industry-standard recording devices, most people will acquire highly accurate results. Such standards include the use of lavalier, lapel, or headset microphones of about $30 or more, or desktop microphones of approximately $70 or more. We do not recommend using the internal microphone of handheld digital recorders, as the sound quality in these devices tends to vary greatly during the recording, and distortions are often present. If your recording is from such a device, we recommend re-recording the speech with a better quality recording device, or acquiring human transcription prior to analyzing it with Raven's Eye. To re-record the speech without needing to completely re-perform the recording itself, you can do so by attaching an industry-standard recording device to your computer and then alternating between playing the original recording on the digital recorder, pausing it, and recording yourself with your computer's audio recording software, repeating the words that you hear as you progress through the original recording. The second aspect in acquiring the most accurate transcript concerns the environment in which the recording is made. We recommend selecting a quiet environment away from interfering noise or intrusions, and placing the recording device in close proximity to the person or people being recorded. Because the automated transcription assumes that the sounds being recorded are the speech that you'd like transcribed, it attempts to match all audible noises with identifiable words. So, as examples, if doors can be heard opening and closing, music is playing during the recording, or other people are talking in the background, it will attempt to match those sounds with a given word by exhausting all of the sound signatures in the corpus before moving on to the next sound. Depending on the extent of the interference, this may dramatically affect the accuracy and processing time of the recording. A third and final aspect of acquiring the most accurate recording is the quality of speech being recorded. While IBM handles accents quite well, accuracy can be affected if those being recorded are non-proficient speakers of the language in question, do not enunciate clearly, or otherwise display idiosyncratic speech patterns. Similarly, if you're recording a large group conversation with variation in distance from the microphone, or substantial differences in tonality or rate of speech between speakers, the accuracy of the transcript can be reduced. If one or more of these factors are present, we recommend re-recording the speech in one voice. As with recordings made on handheld digital recorders, this can be done by accessing the audio recording software on your computer and switching between playing the original recording and recording your own voice repeating the words that you hear. That about does it for preparing your audio file data.